Good morning students. How are you all? I hope you all are good. I am also good. So look here, what is day today? Today is 6 May 2021 and today the day is Thursday. What is day today? Today is Thursday. Our subject is EVS. In subject EVS today we will learn rooms in a house. In your house you can find out there are so many rooms. Living room, bedroom, dining room, kitchen, bathroom, everything you have. You have the balconies. So different rooms you have in your house. So today we will learn about rooms in a house. And after this you have to complete one page of your EVS book. Then you have to make a paper house. I will tell you how you can make a paper house by paper folding. Okay, first of all here I have drawn a house. So here I am going to write living room. Living room. In the living room we live together and enjoy so many things with our family members, and our guests also come and sit in the living room. Now here I am going to write kitchen. In the kitchen, Mama cooks different kind of foods for us. Delicious food she cooks in kitchen. Now, here dining room. In the dining room, all family members sit together and eat their lunch, breakfast and dinner. Okay. Now, here I am going to write storeroom. Storeroom. In the storeroom, we keep so many things that we use sometime or that we use frequently. In the storeroom, we store many kind of things. Now, the next is bedroom. In the bedroom, what do we do in the bedroom? We sleep in the bedroom. After different kind of works, we get tired and then we sleep in the bedroom. Now, I want to show you one page of your EVS book. Let's start. Here we can see rooms in a house. Match the activities with the rooms they take place in. Here are different kind of activities. We have to match all these activities with these rooms. Okay, here we can see boy is taking bath and here a boy is sleeping, and in this picture mama is cooking food, and here we can see all family members are sitting together and having their breakfast and dinner. Now come to this side. See, we can see here this is a bed. So it's a bedroom. In the bedroom we sleep. It's a bathroom. Here we can see wash basin, mirror, shower, etc. This is bathroom. Now come to this side. This is dining room. In the dining room, I have already told you, family members sit together and take their lunch, breakfast or dinner. This is kitchen. Kitchen is very special place. Mama cooks delicious food in the kitchen. Okay. Now you have to complete this page number 9. Now I will tell you how you can make a paper house. Let's start. So students, this is a paper, square paper. What you have to do, you have to take a square sheet of a paper, right? And any color you can choose. I have taken which color? Tell me which color is this? Yellow. That's good. Okay. Now, first you have to fold the paper like this. Look carefully and press it from here, this side. Now, open it. Can you see this line? Yes? Okay. Now, from this side, you will fold it. Okay, see, this line will be, this side will be touched to this line. Again fold it from here also. Press it. Done. See, it is very easy to make a house. Then fold it. Okay, again you have to fold this paper in this way, and look, this corner should be touched here and this corner should be touched with this corner, right? Again open it. Fine. Again you can see a line in the middle of this paper, right? Now from this side you will fold the paper till this middle line. And from this side also you will fold it like this. Okay, now see, and then what you have to do, you have to use your one finger, and with the help of your one finger, this corner you have to, this corner, this side you have to fold it like this. And same thing you will do for this one, this square. Again you have to use your one finger and fold this side also. Right? And turn this paper. See, is this a house? Yes. Now, this is chimney. I am going to paste it on the back of this house here. What is this? Chimney. And this I have already cut the paper for door. What is this? Door. So I am going to paste it. You can draw the door. I am going to paste a piece of paper, but you can also draw door. And see, I am also going to paste this square for windows. One window, and then again I am going to paste this one. This is second window, right? Now I am going to use this to make a door. Right? And this is what? Window. So in this way you can make a house, or moreover you can decorate the roof of this house, right? So with the help of your parents, try to make a house with paper folding, right? And send the pic to me. Thank you so much.